I just made pizza croutons in my Dash compact air fryer.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I didn't really plan on filming a video for this. I am in the process of making myself a salad for dinner. And I was like, yeah, I could really go for some croutons. So I took a slice of bread. I had some sourdough bread in my refrigerator. And I just cut up a slice of bread. And I was like, I could probably make croutons in my air fryer. And I also have that new Trader Joe's pizza sprinkle seasoning blend. So after I cut up a piece of bread into crouton size pieces, I sprinkled it with some of the pizza seasoning. I did not add anything else, just the pizza seasoning. And then I stuck it in the air fryer for about 8 minutes on 400 degrees. And I was on the other side of my house and I was like, wow, I really smell pizza, because I forgot that I had the pizza croutons in the air fryer. And I was like, who's eating pizza? Then I remembered, because I heard the air fryer go off, like it makes like a dinging bell sound. And I just opened it up. They look great. I just tasted one. They taste great. I will say they probably need just a little bit of salt. But other than that, this Dash compact air fryer is so good at making homemade croutons in literally less than 10 minutes. You could use any seasoning that you want, but this Trader Joe's pizza sprinkle seasoning blend works really, really well. So I'll be adding these to my salad, and I thought I would just film this really quick just to give you an idea of something else that can be made really quickly in the Dash compact air fryer.